Hi friends, good evening. Welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. This is Manju here and I welcome you all to my channel. So today I'm going to discuss with you few ETL SQL important questions here. So these are very important, may ask you in interviews. So before starting the video, if you're not subscribed to my channel SQL Master YouTube channel, kindly subscribe to channel, so that gives a very happiness to me to make more videos on SQL Oracle. Okay, let us move to the videos here. I show you here the Excel document where I am going to discuss with you requirement traceability document. What is the RTM document? So this is what the document we have to make in ETL testing. So these are the serial numbers and these are the scenario and these are the test cases mentioned and these are the statuses. Okay, so here first test case is first scenario password. So whether source test case 01 is the test case number and it is the status is checked. So username test case number 2, it is status is checked, and radio button we didn't mention here anything because it is not checked. So drop down menu also we didn't mention anything here and it is also not checked. So what is exactly the mean by RTM document here? So requirement traceability document, what exactly mean by that? So let's move to the slides here what I made and I will show you the things properly. Okay, so RTM document, it traces or maps the requirement of the customers through the test cases, or you can say it ensures that all requirement from customers are tested through the test cases. Okay, so we ensure that how much progress on client requirement, how much we cover the client requirement using test cases, through test cases. This is what the document indicates, that how much the client requirements is completed. So this is what very important document in ETL testing, because the interviewer may ask you what is RTM document. Okay, so we can say this one. So apart from this, I will show you any other things. Then severity. Okay, what is exactly the severity? So this is what the severity. What is exactly the severity is here? Severity is mainly depend on tester, because he only the person ensure about defect, how much it's impacting on each module of software or on full module of software. So tester can decide how much defect having severity, so he can inform to the developer. So as in future it's resolved by the developer. So severity, so if any defect occurs there, so tester has to decide how much severity it is having, because if it is having low severity, or it is having high severity, okay, that will tested by decided by the tester. So because as you compare to one vehicle, so in one vehicle there are so many parts. Okay, so the things like gear and brakes and steering. Okay, if steering is not working properly, then it is urgent. Okay, tester may indicate that the urgent severity is very heavy and it's urgent, immediately has to resolve. So if its gear is not working, so it is called as low priority. Okay, if brakes are not working, it is medium priority. Okay, so like this, we comparing to the one vehicle, we have to get some knowledge, okay, some idea about the severity, how you can tester can decide the severity. So this is what the thing is. And next goes to priority. Okay, the priority actually decided by the developer, because he only the person coding whatever the codes are coded by the developer. So as priorities depend on the developer, he can decide how soon the developer can resolve the defect issue, because as he develop the codes. Okay, so after the tester informed to developer that this much of severity it is having, defect is having, so then developer has to indicate that, or has to inform that to tester, that maintain status, that how soon he can resolve the defect. So this is what the priorities depend on the developer. So these are what the severity and priority. And then moving to one more point, ad hoc testing. Okay, this is also a type of testing here, a test carried by the experienced person or experienced tester, where he can test main features are working or not properly. Okay, this is what the thing here. After product has been made completely ready, an ad hoc person, that is most experienced tester, can test all major features those major features are working properly or not before handovering to the client. So these what all the topic I covered here. These all topics are very important, and 100% sure that in interviews, ETL testing interviews, or in SQL developer interviews, the interviewer may ask you definitely. Okay, so these what the thing I'm going to share with you in my video. So if you really like this video, kindly like my video and subscribe to my channel, so to get more videos on these topics. So I will be with you in next video with more topics or concepts or SQL queries. So till that, bye bye, have a nice day, take care.